I think the best moment has to be the last game against Russia at home. I think the home crowd helped us get that victory, and obviously we scored 3 great goals and kept another clean sheet.
Bosnia, I think it was a hard trip away going into a double header in that game, so saving that penalty and keeping them in the game, I think that's the biggest moment.
My favourite moment of the campaign so far has to be the second goal against Russia. The timing of the goal, the way we did it, the tackle from Jess, the build-up play, my pass was alright, you know, and obviously Kaylee's finish. It made the game 2-0, it made us feel a little bit more comfortable when we knew there and then that game was ours, and it set us up for a brilliant end to a campaign, so that's right up there for me.
Before that, everyone said we couldn't score goals and we had to score 3, and again, didn't concede any, so that was the moment that it clicked for us that we're doing something special, and you know, this is it, this is our cup final.
I think everything we've done over the last campaign, building up, even the England game, I think we were still trying to find our feet as a squad, but I think in the Russia game it all clicked, and I think it was a special moment for everybody, and you could probably see that after the game with a little celebration with the cameras.
We've loved having you there for all the home games, and I know a lot of you have watched the away games on the stream, so thank you a lot, and it means the world to us to have your support.
Thank you very much for the support from all the fans. Our very own Red Wall.
Thank you to all of you supporters that have been there throughout this campaign cheering us on.
Thank you very much for turning up to every game, supporting us and making as much noise as you can.
You guys have really made a huge difference, and yeah, we just want you to keep supporting through to that last game.
Each and every one of you have contributed to the reason why we're here now. Fighting to the last day, the last second. You're all on this journey with us, and hopefully we can continue that and ride it all together and be in the history books forever.